let me check if all systems are connected. Just to do a final run through. Folks, guess what? The folks at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com, they're connected. The folks at DJ Roddy G on YouTube, they're connected. The folks on the Facebook Live, they're connected. The folks at See Jamaica Live on YouTube, they're connected. And so, with that said, it's my absolute pleasure to greet each and every one of you with a heartwarming from the depths of my heart. Good morning! Yeah, man, we're making short and spicy this morning. What go on, people? We're there. Gotta say good morning to Don T. They're up on the early check-in. Who else there up on the early check-in? Melissa is here on the early check-in. Christine is here on the early check-in. Hold on, not just Christine and Don T there already. Where is I massive there? Rough weekend, them no wake up yet. Let's give them a little time. Give them a couple more seconds. Alright, me see a small adjustment we need to make, so stand firm. We are gonna make a small adjustment and we'll be right back with you. Alright, don't move. Let's go and call along the crowd. That's supposed to look better, don't? That image is sharper, don't it? Yeah, man. You just want a little focus. Alright, so like how we there, I'm going to start it then, no? Since it's just us, a very intimate setting this morning, let's get the conversation going. How was your weekend? You know what I'm telling about mine? Mine was a learning experience. Alright, so allow me a few minutes to share, right? So we done the show Friday morning. That's expected. But Friday was Pier 1's anniversary, 20th anniversary. And they would have a special performance by Ding Dong. Now you can't name Roddy for the road and staying at the yard, right? So I decided that it is now time to start venturing out and start collecting footage and building content. So, you know, that's what I did Friday night. Pull up the studio, take out the gear, we're going on road. We're going on Pier 1. Because we're going to record Ding Dong performance and all these things. So, all right, we're there, we set up. We did something special as well. We actually used 2 cameras. Yeah, man, we use wireless technology. Trust me, we are do the thing. You see me? I will set up, I will figure it out, I will get things running. I was using my phone as the remote camera, and that was focused on the DJ booth. That'll work all right, kind of ish. It reveals some challenges with bandwidth, and we understand that, so we know how to correct that. So that's one lesson learned. All right, the night I go on, party lights come on and everything I go on. And I realized that my main camera, this camera, anytime the green light wave washes over the venue, everything got dark. And I'm looking at the camera and I'm looking at the software and I'm saying, but on the camera's display, everything seems normal. Why is it that when it comes over to the computer, the software not seeing it? So anyway, the night there, I'm just frustrated and, I say maybe after, you capture the image, you can do some post-production editing and get it corrected. Come home, start research it, not no go so. Whatever you capture, that's what you have to work with. So later on the Saturday, I call my brethren Shells. Y'all know Shells, right? Yeah, man, I call Shells and say, Shells, what could be happening here? This is what is happening. This is what I experienced. And in the discussion, a key word came up. He said, it seems as if the camera has a built-in filter that we don't know about. Maybe it have a default setting that you need to go in there and change. And we proceed to have the conversation until somebody said, with the combination of the word filter, it clicked to me that, yes, that's how it filters my green screen. And then it dawned on both of us. Roddy, you have a green screen filter on the software setting that is impacting the video that you're capturing. So, so the whole other footage there with Ding Dong Performance basically waste, right? It don't look good. Because when the green light came on and washed over the venue, everything just got filtered out, just black. So that was an important lesson that I learned Friday. I'm glad I learned it early, and we can deal with it wherever else we go, right? Yeah. So that was a big takeaway for Friday night. Saturday we were on the road. We were in Kingston. Shout outs to the folks at the Rock Hotel, downtown Kingston on the waterfront. I had a vibe, you see, man. It wasn't the whole heap of people dancing, but you see the people on the dance floor, them have a vibe. Yeah, man. You had to be there to really appreciate how much of a vibe they had. It was all about 70s, 80s, 90s, and a touch of the 2000s music. And what fun did we have? So shout outs to not only the management and staff at the Rock Hotel, but also your guests. They are absolutely amazing. All right. So the people I'm late this morning, let me see who else is here. Let me check in on the folks over at See Jamaica Live. Why is this thing telling me video is unavailable? Oh, there we go. Right, so good morning to the folks at See Jamaica Live. Remember, you can participate in the conversation. Just drop your comments in the chat, all right? Good morning to World Weather Trackers. Gotta say welcome. It's a brand new collaboration. I'm your host, DJ Roddy G, and this is Roddy for the Road. This is where we'll give you some authentic Jamaican music, like a conversation, like a vibe, and just get you ready for the road. Because it's what? Roddy for the Road. Let's do this.
sun is out and shining, a smile on my face. Good morning, Mr. Ross.
This is how we get the music going on this here Monday morning.
Today, if I am living, I have to live it up, no matter the feeling. I got to get up, if I am living, I have to live it up.
Gotta say grand rising to Lloydie, all the folks over there in Yonkers.
Yeah, and that's a spirit. Yeah, and you can do it. Oh, that's a spirit. And you can do it. Yeah, and that's a spirit. When you fall on the ground, get up, pick up your sin. You can do it. Brush off your clothes and prepare for something else. That's a spirit. No time for those. Get up, wake up and move. Put on your champion shoes. I tell the man in the mirror, you are a winner. Yeah, you can do it. You are a champion. Oh, you can get through it. God, if I am living, I have to live it up, no matter the feeling. I got to get up. If I am living, I have to live it up, no matter the feeling. I got to get up, get up. Two steps forward with every step back. I propel forward with every setback. One step at a time, no turning back from the starting line. Prepare my mind and tell the man in the mirror, you are a winner. Yeah, you can do it. You are a champion. What you mean? Oh, you can get through it. Oh, you are a champion. If I am living, I have to live it up, no matter the feeling. I have to get up, get up. To live it up, no matter the feeling. I have to get up, oh boy. It's a long way to go, but I will run. Giving up ain't an option, man. So when the day is done, I can say I'm a winner. I've been through the fire, I ran the race and I won. Say I'm a winner. I've been through the fire, I ran the race and I won. Oh no, did I get too close? Oh, did I almost see what's really on the inside? Oh, your insecurities, oh, the dirty laundry never made me blink one time. Unconditional, unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. And there is no fear now. Let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. Come just as
I gotta send a big shout out to my cousin Vino on the check-in.
don't need apologies. Know that you are worthy.
Good morning to Stacey Ann.
I'll take your bad days with your good. Walk through the storm, I will do it all because I love you. I love you. Unconditional.
Stacey Ann seems to be loving this one in the early morning. She's got somebody she loves unconditionally.
Did I get too close? Oh, did I almost see what's really on the inside? Oh, your
say good morning to my brother, Keith Cole.
Made me blink one time. Unconditional, unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. And there is no fear now. Let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. Come just as you are to me. Don't need apologies. Know that you are worthy. I'll take your bad days with your good. Walk through the storm. I will do it all because I love you. I love you unconditional, unconditionally. I will love you unconditionally. And there is no fear now. Let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. So open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart. Good morning. Acceptance is the key to be truly free. Will you do the same for me? Unconditional. I will love you unconditionally. And there is no fear now. Let go and just be free. 'Cause I will love you unconditionally.
Roddy G is your morning man.
We're calling out around the world to men and woman, boy and girl. This is the message that we bring to you. Lift up your head and look around. Don't let your troubles bring you down. You should be dancing all your tears away. Out in the schoolyard, children. Out in the courtyard, sisters. Out in the
Let's say good morning to Valerie. Let's say good morning to the Duke.
music of the land. We want to make you understand.
Good morning to Joan, Miss Martin, all my Chilani peeps. On the door. It's an early morning call out to the world. Wherever you're locked in, good morning and welcome.
We're calling out around the world to men and woman, boy and girl. This is the message that we bring to you. Lift up your head and look around. Don't let your troubles bring you down. You should be dancing all your tears away. Out in the schoolyard, children.
estate. My Nubian princess, make no mistake. If you find there's too much at stake, call on me, I'll be your escape. No need to complain. I feel and I show your pain, and understand when life gets insane. There is only so much you can maintain. I'll be your friend if you need me. I'll be your strength if you need me. Always be there, do believe me. Helpless and hurt, it would grieve me. If anyone here to offend you, I'll be the one to defend you. Wouldn't think twice, I'll avenge you. Heart made of gold, I commend you. All the shades of blue. That's right. I'll be your strength if you need me. Always be there, do believe me. Helpless and hurt, it will grieve me. If anyone dare to offend you, I'll be the one to defend you. Wouldn't think twice, I'll avenge you. Heart made of gold, I commend you.
There I was in all
the shades of blue. That's right.
Wondering if and when
You're stronger than that, mama. Let them know, let them know. Okay.
And this one goes out to Lloydie over there in Yonkers. Lloydie looking forward to the fact that this coming Thursday in the US of A you celebrate Thanksgiving. But Lloydie says every day he's alive he gives thanks. And so I had to sneak this in from Mikey Conscious. I'm alive! If you happen to be alive, sing along. Listen to this song.
People all over the world complain about the same things every day. Nothing ever seems to work out right, and everything remains the same. Still you wake up in the morning, take a breath of fresh air, and you never give thanks and praise. But if you wanna do right, keep your dreams alive, hold your hands in the air and say, hey, hey, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, you know I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive.
How many are thankful that they're alive this morning? You're alive and in your right frame of mind, as far as you can tell. Don't take it for granted. The simple things are your blessings. We're alive, we're here, we're together. Handful of it this morning, but it's nice. See them we're down. Say yes. You know, so the crowd wake up late on Monday morning. Nothing strange. 33 minutes after 7. It's time to take our social media video of the day. Who's that on the YouTube checking? William, good morning to you. Glad to have you. So let me go over here. And this morning, our social media feature is taken from a Jamaican TikTok content creator. So last week, somebody messaged me and said, Roddy, we love Philo Jean, but you know, I'm a Jamaican content creator where you can feature. And I said, yes, we do. And so this morning, based on that request, we take our social media feature from the account of Evie Royal. Let's go.
Yeah. When it's time me paint up this house here, this Christmas I want to dirty back. Yeah man, I want to dirty back because $40,000 out of paint this. Oh, because guess what? Una have a little dirty style. Anytime una go somewhere, I pay hold on. I want to roll up, hold on. I see it, you know, roll down. Yeah man. Oh, around put me in this. Oh, last time painting this Christmas and any una dirty up it back man. Me I tell you no, una go know what is weak in a toenail. Sorry, 1 bag of sorry, 2 bag of sorry, 3 bag of sorry, 4 bag of sorry. Make them see that one here. Alright, that one you look good. Nobody no touch you. Watch ya. Make me talk. Who don't help my ginger this Christmas and get no sorry. Oh, yeah man.
Daddy, December just start and you decorate up in place. You not ready yet. You not feeling
Shut your mouth. Oh, I'm going to decorate your amount with 2 piece. Oh, because I think for this morning. Oh, after the yard, so me decide when Christmas start ya. Go on in. Look on your fear for your own banana. Oh, yes, we're plugging your pay light. Alright.
It's about that time. It is, in fact, about that time where Jamaicans get busy with Christmas preparations. Wonder if sorrel available yet. Anybody get no sorrel yet? If you get sorrel, no, it's sorrel probably dear. For just a coming a season. Who prepares their sorrel with pimento seeds? Who does that? How many hands are gonna go up say, I prepare sorrel with pimento seeds? Are you in the Christmas gear as yet? It is the 25th day in the month of November. So we are weird pun. No. Continue with sounds of Chronics as we go into a little reggae vibe. Conscious reggae music until 8 o'clock. Let's do it like this.
Story of my life, ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, see the great things that people do. Changing lives day and night, but nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I have to do what's right to the King of all kings, all praises due. Yesterday I was on a train. A little boy asked me my name. He said, sir, I've seen you before. Tell me, who are you? Said I am.
Lloydie, I don't think that issue is unique to you because I'm monitoring on this side and I noticed that Facebook is going on with its foolishness as usual. But I don't know if enough people are on the live as yet. But I realize that Facebook are going on with them little antics. But over on YouTube, it seems to be fine. For the folks over there at See Jamaica Live, I hope you're having a good viewing and listening experience. It's a brand new collaboration. It's Roddy for the road. It's See Jamaica Live. It's looking at what's going on in Crossroads while hearing some good Jamaican selections. We look forward to your conversation, your participation. Yeah, man, just drop a message in the chat. As you can see, you're definitely included in all that's happening. So participate. Marcel appreciating this selection. So all the legends.
Never say
Think about themselves, you know.
no. Story of my life, ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, see the great things that people do. Changing lives day and night, but nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I have to do what's right, to the King of all kings, all praise is due. Yesterday I was on a train, a little boy asked me my name. He said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? Said I am a legend that you never heard of before. I said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, that means I made a change. I'm the man who cooks the food and feed the street people in the afternoon. I'm the lady with the broom, sweeping the halls of your son's preschool. I'm the soldier who's up all night, making sure everything's alright. And if you ask me, I'm quite fine, being an ordinary person doing what's right. Yesterday at the football game, a little girl asked me my name. She said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? I said I am a legend that you never heard of before. I said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates.
Good morning, Kerry K.
If one person remembers my name, that means on the ocean of fame, I'm an unknown sailor. I'm the percussionist playing with the whalers, the one with the shaker, the mover and shaker. My name wasn't on the front of the paper, but me not cater. Much more than the work is greater. Creation glorifies creator. So all deeds done are in the name of my maker. I am a legend that you probably never hear about. Words from the lion's mouth. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, give praise, that means I made a change.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Victory, when you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only judge I know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river, I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we have to overcome.
Sleepless nights under pressure, got a lot on my mind. What would life be without all the struggles of mine? Can't sleep, some steam trees for peace of mind. I can't sleep, but these sweet dreams do ease my mind. I say, what's success without a little sacrifice? With every downfall, yes, you have to have a rise. Gain the world to lose your soul, no, but not gonna pay that price. I forgive, thanks for life, the morning sun, that's so
victory. When you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only judge I know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river, I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we have to overcome.
Positively the clear when I light up on my chalwa. Tell the selfish ways we not go beg them for no sponsor. Crabbing and barrel will always try to pull you under. Pagans try to break you, wanna kill you, make you stronger. Clear my thoughts with a little meditating. Out of nothing, opportunities creating. King Selassie, I don't stop, I get the praising. For eternity, we keep the fire fixing.
When you're winning, it's a sweet story. But when you're not, good morning. You need to call me a sinner. Only that I know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I have smile with the sun. Can't keep you down, cause we have more.
I remember Papa said,
Roddy G is your morning man.
Granny said, no put your hands where your hand can't reach. What does it gain to profit the world and lose their soul? Cause when it's your time, the riches won't go. What is unseen, it should not be told. Not everything that glitter is gold. Nothing not come easy, so me still I try the rocky road. Once I got life to live and air to breathe, I got everything I need. With everything in me, long as there's
It's a morning to give thanks. It's a morning to recognize that we're starting a brand new journey. It's the first day of the rest of your life. It's the first day to make that first step in making the difference that you wish to achieve. Pressure, sing!
What does it gain to profit the world and lose their soul? Cause when it's your time, the riches won't go. What is unseen, it should not be told. Not everything that glitter is gold. Nothing not come easy, so me still I try the rocky road. Once I got life to live and air to breathe, I got everything I need. With everything in me, long as there's love to give and someone to receive, I got everything I need.
Hey, good morning to Marcia.
Everything I need. Got to step away and free yourself. In times of need, I will be your help. Worshipping material that not go lost. When you get tired, I hit you place it on the shelf. Your health should be your wealth. Look in the mirror, how you see yourself. With all the money in the world right now, can't bring me happiness. Once I got life to live and air to breathe, I got everything I need. With everything in me, long as there's love to give and someone to
Hey, big shout out to DJ Captain,
everything I need.
representing for the UK. Good morning. Sounds of Pressure Bus Pipe. Everything I Need is the title. If you're thankful to be here this morning, represent on this song.
Simplicity I do it. Granny said, no put your hands where your hand can't reach.
Hey, King Malakia, good morning.
What does it gain to profit the world and lose their soul? Cause when it's your time, the riches won't go. What is unseen, it should not be told. Not everything that glitter is gold. Nothing not come easy, so me still I try the rocky road. Once I got life to live and air to breathe, I got everything I need. With everything in me, long as there's love to give and someone to receive, I got everything I need. Everything I need. Got to step away and free yourself. In times of need, I will be your help. Worshipping material that not go lost. When you get tired, I hit you place it on the shelf. Your health should be your wealth. Look in the mirror, how you see yourself. With all the money in the world right now, can't bring me happiness. Once I got life to live and air to breathe, Poverty is a mentality. Survival is priority. Still me not go off in no vanity. Living life beyond your means, trying to make an impression on the world. False pretense and illusion of the bird. The family good and me not have no concern. Once I got life to live and air to breathe, I got everything I need. With everything in me, long as there's love to give and someone to receive, I got everything I need. Everything I need. What does it gain to profit the world and lose their soul? Cause when it's your time, the riches won't go up. What is unseen, it should not be told. Not everything that glitter is gold. Nothing not come easy, so me still a try the rocky road.
Life is what you make it, and if you don't make it, who's gonna make it for you? For the youth, yes, you have to teach them. If you don't teach, who's gonna teach them for you? Raise, yes, you have to raise them. Cause if you don't raise, who's gonna raise them? Yes, you have to love them. And if you don't love, who's gonna love them for you? Oh, what's the day? It will be a day. Just like an holiday, unity, that's what you say. To see the youths them playing in the dark. We don't want to have them from the dark. Everything is everything. Till them say no watch they play righteousness, that's what we bring. While they promoting their warm and service, the power to preserve more life. Plant the seed and let it grow. More life. Don't be like the dog who loses a bone. More life. Got to work hard to achieve your home. More life. And you will find some peace at home. Oh, as a day, it will be a day. Just like an holiday, unity, that's what you say. Good morning! Everything is everything. Till them say no watch they play righteousness, that's what we bring. While they promoting their warm and service, the power to no.
Gideon, Calio.
Long time them a pray we fall.
Good morning.
And a little time them stand up there up anyway. A bad mind we am behaving like a friend of me. And when them say we no fall, science them go try. But none of that can be us way. Them can't get we out. And two them not know we give we salt to judge a long time. Them can't get we out. All them a try to tear we down, just protect we full time. Yeah, them can't get we out. See the more them a try, and the more judge a show with the signs. Say them can't get we out. So we not attack. Watch them with a panja works all the while. Still have to be mindful of the friends where we keeping. Because we can't just have the blessing of our greetings. Them will smiling on your face when them will want to take your place. So bad mind your works and your blessing. Hey yo, them hate we long time, but when them see with them smile, we just show them love and humble like a child. Hey yo, we know where them hungry for. Them hunger tired to see we feel so now. Them can't get we out. I chew them to know we give us all to judge a long time. Them can't get we out. All them a try to tear we down, just protect we full time. Yeah. Them can't get
Most
we out.
people never
See the
notice
more
that
them
all
a
them
try,
want
and the
and
more
need
judge a show with the
is right in
signs.
front of my
Them can't get we out. So we now stop to watch them with their panja works all the while.
He's never satisfied, no matter how hard she tries to make him feel like a king. She stays home alone. She cooks and she cleans. She's a good woman, but he don't know. I wish I had someone like her, just to show how much she's worth. And if I had someone like her, I would work to erase the hurt. I never take for granted all you give to me. To find a virtuous a woman is not easy. Sometimes love is blind, sometimes we see. But ringing in my head is what my mama told me.
Want it, I get it. Get it, I want it. I want it, I get it. I get it, I want it. I want it, I get it.
You're again.
I get it, I want it.
Give you more again. saying that I'll never hurt you. You never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind, let time unwind. Baby, lay your head to rest, baby. Let us put love to the test, baby. And let love lead the way. If we believe, join our hearts and mind and souls, keep us together. You never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people
I gotta say good morning to Simonees.
hurt you. You never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind, let time unwind.
Definitely could not be here without you guys. Wouldn't make no sense if I never there. Would make no sense. So I couldn't make it without you. From Elaine, from me, to all of yous.
Me could I never ever ever make it without you. Me could never make it without you. I could not make it.
Roddy G is your
Make it
morning
without you. No. I could not make it. Make it without you. Me could I never ever make it without you. Me could never make it without.
Hey, thank you so much, Marcia.
Could I never make it without you? Make it without you. Me could I never ever make it without.
Thank you, Valerie.
Me could never make it without you. Me could I never make it without you. Make it without you. Hey, you, baby, come back. I never wanted you to go nowhere. Baby, come back here. I know you're with her and I'm with him, but let's forget about them and start all over again. Cause me without you makes no sense, and you don't need nobody else. Me could I never ever make it without you. Me could never make it without you. Me could I never make it without you. Make it without you. Me could I never ever make it without you. Me could never make it without you. Me could I never make it without you. Make it without you.
Roddy G is your morning man.
I hope you know I never meant to make you cry. And even though I don't speak anymore, I wanna take the time, yeah. To let you know that I'm glad you were in my life.
Good morning.
You made me grow into a better woman, baby, and I can't deny. It took some time to get over you, and even though my heart's still bruised, I really wanna say, only give to you the best I had, darling. With every tear I shed, all I wanted was to love you, but I hurt you so much more in the end. I never could imagine waking up in the morning without you next to me. And even though our love is gone, there was a time. I hope you know I never meant to make you cry. And even though I don't speak anymore, I wanna take the
Hey, this is Zano Tessin Chin.
to let you know that I'm glad.
Song titled Broken Melody.
Cause you made me grow.
Shout out to Kurt Riley, the entire Jambian music production family.
I can't deny. Took some time to get over you, and even though my heart's still bruised, I really wanna say, only give to you the best I had, darling. With every tear I shed, all I wanted was to love you, but I hurt you so much more in the end. I never could imagine waking up in the morning without you next to me. And even though
For those who weren't sure who Tessin Chin is, let me use her most popular song to remind you.
I can't save it from yourself. For you a new start.
Once again, let me welcome everyone on that See Jamaica live stream. It's a brand new collaboration. Your host, DJ Roddy G, alongside the See Jamaica live team, coming together and sharing with you the premier morning show on the internet, Roddy for the Road. Big shout out to Peter G. Yeah, man. All the folks on that check-in, on that Facebook feed, welcome.
Take you out and show you what my love can do. Do you want to go to heaven with my arms around you? You take my breath away if only you would say it's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay. I'll take you there to my secret hideaway. So in love with you, but I feel you know that truth. Every time you catch me, I stare, you know, you see right through. You get so close to me that I can almost taste you when I do want to go to heaven with my arms around you. Take my breath away if only you would say it's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay. I'll take you there to my secret hideaway. I'll take you there to my secret Now on a mic, I met the boy like you. I wouldn't left you, baby, ever, even if I could. Man, I'm about the front. You make me wanna hunt, and you can put it blunt. You got the goods, I got the tea. And I said this song just to prove I wanna have you, baby. I want every part of you. The good, the bad, the old and the new. Hear me when I say, baby, boy, I good morning. To take you home and show you what my love can do. Take my breath away if only you would say it's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay. I'll take you there to my secret hideaway.
At 4 minutes after 8 o'clock, the morning is progressing nicely. Now, 1 hour gone already. Can you imagine? Time is not waiting on us. So if you've got an appointment today, if you have a schedule to maintain, please pay attention to the time because the music will carry you away, you know. Yes, man, these selections will make you forget all about the time and get caught up in the music and the conversation, and then before you know it, you're late. So we're not going to have that this morning. That's not how we're starting this work week. We're going to be paying attention to all the details and making sure that we're absolutely progressive and punctual. Can we do that? And I'm punctually in a segment that I'm just, you know what? I'm not even going to tell you what this segment is. I'm going to let my friend Slash tell you all about the segment that we're going into right now.
I tell you, for support, who I support you, hey, that is real support. Now left out, all who help you. Listen, you got to make them proud. Roddy G, don't forget the ones who give you a strength. Make sure you bless them up again. Hey, when you're winning, just try remember who did make you get the victory. Oh, Slash representing one time for DJ Roddy G, one of the realest and one of the baddest. Slash said that. Give me a do. This is Slash representing one time for DJ Roddy G. Hey, Roddy G, we have to big you up in a car. You don't know. You support the movement every time. You see it. Real to the thing. Hey. Oh, Roddy G, me tell you, say you is a real one. Alright, support. Who will support you? Hey, that is real support. Now left out, all who help you. Listen, you got to make them proud. Roddy G, don't forget the ones who give you a strength. Make sure you bless them up again. Hey, when you're winning, try remember who did make you get the victory. Oh, respect Roddy G because you give me a chance. You're the one who believed in me, and now you're loyalty no change. Roddy G, if I did ever be some people, hey, me starve like a hungry dog. So bless up Roddy G because you show a lot of love to me. I support who I support you, and that is real support. Roddy G, now left out, all who help you. Listen, you got to make them proud. Roddy G, me say no forget the ones who give you a strength. Make sure you bless them up again. Hey, when you're winning, just try remember who did make you get the victory.
Dance all redemption time, you know. A dance all revival. Champions no go down like that. Number one new fi make a bounce back. Now sit down and watch you stand that strong. Show the world so we better than that. Now touch them crack and cocaine. The Rasta man call him no can't cry shame. Now turn no black and sauce tomorrow. Fire upon them Sodom and Gomorrah. Dance all redemption time.
I don't have to tell you about this segment. Slash told you. Support for support, me saying no.
Champions no go down like that. Number one new fi make a bounce back. Now sit down and watch you stand that strong. Show the world so we better than that. Now touch them crack and cocaine. The Rasta man pan him no can't cry shame. Now turn no black and sauce tomorrow. Fire upon them Sodom and Gomorrah. Wipe me name out of Babylon book. Set your trap but you can't get me hooked. Vampire system sucking the blood of the poor, and I still want war, boy. Champions no go down like that. Number one no fi make a comeback.
Calvin Way said Daniel and Omari anniversary. I've got to fix up something special for them.
Be better than that. Dance all nice again. Gather round my friends. Peel back the fence.
Hey, Richie them out, big up.
They dance all nice again. Oh, tell them say dance all nice again. Dance all nice again. Dance all redemption time, you know. A dance all revival. They live it in hard, yeah. Corruption a yard. Go to politicians. Big lot of scams, extortion, money for the gangs. Guns, drugs and employment, the ingredients. A killer recipe called more violence. Rasta man a walk on chat line. Persecution at an all-time high. Come again, champions no go down like that. woman want no fi make a come back. Now sit down and watch you stand and strap. Rasta man not going out like that. No, no. Show them that we're so much better, yeah. Yeah.
It's a girl Carrie Lopez. Yeah, where my beautiful woman's at? Black woman, white woman, I looking at Chinese woman, I would that murder man. If you have a youth, if you have mother, them say you're mother man. Woman, yeah. Not even our dreams will be able to visit our heart and our soul, yet we're still able to give it vivid. Without any limit, sometimes to people who really don't need it. Read it, repeat it or leave it. Such energy, yo, you know we prohibit. Royal movements, love we exhibit. We live it. Hey, man said them are the ruler, but woman are the leader. Woman are the teacher, woman are the breeder. The lawyer, the doctor, the prime minister. We are the nurturer. Them say them are the ruler, but woman are the leader. Woman are the teacher, woman are the breeder. The liar, the doctor, the prime minister. We are the nurturer. Rise up, woman, rise and take a stand. Know your place on earth, know your position up in your eyes. No woman, and try to understand. This life is just for living, and the man is just a man. Woman, we got the power. Them are the ruler, but woman are the leader. Woman are the teacher, woman are the breeder. The liar, the doctor, the prime minister. We are the nurturer. We are Queen of Sheba. We are the leader. We are the teacher, the nurse, the breeder. We are the nurturer. Rise up, you one. Rise up, rise and take your stand. Will be able to visit our heart and our soul, yet we're still able to give it vivid without any limit. Sometimes to people who really don't need it. Read it, repeat it or leave it. Such energy, yo, you know we prohibit. The royal movements, love we exhibit. Happiness, we live it. Man said them are the ruler, but woman are the leader. Woman are the breeder, woman are the teacher. The liar, the doctor, the prime minister. We are the nurturer.
That's absolutely right, Sparky. Sparky Melody on the check-in. That's the sounds of Kerry K. Kerry Lopez. In a segment we call Support for Support, you know. You don't know how that go. So shout outs to the folks over there on the See Jamaica live stream. If you're joining for the first time, welcome. This is the morning show. DJ Roddy G is my moniker, and I'm here with you weekdays from 7 until 10 in the a.m. So wherever you're locked in from, just make yourself comfortable and make it part of your daily routine, all right? We give you some good Jamaican music from some good Jamaican artists, whether they're at home or abroad. And this next artist, I'm a friend. Anybody who don't know it, let me tell you about it. Wait there. Oh, see there, ready now.
You must be crazy. My good loving, no lazy. Roddy G give good loving daily. Him have the right tools, them for play me. Hey, this is your girl Sugar representing DJ Roddy G. Rocking the music every day.
This is the brand new single from Sugar from our upcoming album.
Please call the physician for me. Tonight I need fixing, me feel lonely. I want some loving and my bed is empty. Me need me medicine right away. Boy, write a prescription for me. I need effective care, come treat me slowly. Can't do without my dependency.
I need your touch every day, boy. I'm calling for the love doctor.
Roddy G is your morning man.
I know I need it now. Please call the physician for me. Tonight I need fixing, me feel lonely. I want some loving and my bed is empty. I need my medicine right away, boy. Write a prescription for me. I need effective care, come treat me slowly. Can't do without my dependency. I need your touch every day, boy. I'm calling for the love doctor, love doctor. 'Cause tonight I need some healing. I've got to see the love doctor, oh boy. 'Cause right now I'm in my feelings. Well, I'm tired and sick of love songs. Been hugging up my pillows for too long. My body's craving some good loving. Someone to compliment my mood when it's raining. I don't wanna be lonely. Hey, Mr. Lay it on me. I need my specialist to sort me out. Ooh, I'm calling on the love doctor. Love doctor, 'cause tonight I need some healing. I've got to see the love doctor, oh boy. 'Cause right now I'm in my feelings.
Inside the segment, I'm dubbing support for support. That means all the artists whose support I have, I'm taking this opportunity to show my support for you. We can't have certain artists on the check-in and I show no love and respect for their music, you know. So shout out to all the artists on the live right now on this here broadcast. Mad love, appreciation, and respect. Yeah, man. So who you think me I play next? Who you think me I play next? Alright, don't guess. Let me make it play.
Good morning.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Gotta send a big shout out to the Duke. All the UK massive. Big up there themselves, you know.
Call me a fool, 'cause I stayed away so long. Call me a fool, I didn't turn around to see how far we drifted apart. It's only you, it's only you.
Good morning.
Call me a fool, 'cause I stayed away so long. Call me a fool, I didn't turn around to see how far we drifted apart. It's only you, it's only you. Call me a fool, I didn't find
that you'll pass my way and we'll make small conversation. It's only you. It's only you.
Have a loving this one from the Duke. Sparky Melody.
It's only you. It's only you. It's only you. We'll chase the sun in our twilight years. As long as we're together, capture each other's fears. Work hard every day to show you my devotion is deeper than the ocean. It's only you. It's only you. It's only you. It was only. It's only you.
This next selection comes up from the production house of the man who is arguably first on the feed each morning. If he is not first in the chat, his music is first on the turntables because he provided the theme song that is Roddy for the Road. We're talking about none other than the production house they call Don Bass Music. This one from his brother, Mikey Exodus. Gotta send a big shout out to the entire family. Mama Pinky, good morning.
You and me, lady, I'll go with you all the way. I'll go with you all the way, lady. I'll go with you all the way. I'll go with you all the way, lady. I'll go with you all the way. Friends call me a fool when they see us together, using your past as a tool, trying to separate us from each other. In my heart, I'm hurting for you, woman. I can feel your teardrops falling when the world turns its back on you. Oh, lady, I'll never leave you nor forsake you, no way. Everyone in this whole wide world makes mistakes. When them come with them self-righteousness, you know that I fake. Come on, I'll go with you all the way, lady. I'll go with you all the way. I'll roll with you night and day, lady. I'll go with you all the way, baby. You, lady, you and me, baby, all the way, lady, you and me. Oh yeah. Whatever you're going through, I'll be that friend you can talk to. You needed a place for you to stay. I got enough space to accommodate you. Yeah. It's a new season. Celebrate. All your sins are forgiven when the world turns its back on you. Oh, lady, I'll never leave you nor forsake you, no way. Everyone in this whole wide world makes mistakes. When they come with them self-righteousness, you know that I fake.
Say you wanna be loved, but you won't let me love you. Say you wanna be Lord of mercy.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Say you wanna be loved, but you won't let me love you. Say you wanna be kissed. How long I've been wanting to hold you tight, squeeze you right in the middle of the night. For you I'm crying out, sometimes feel to shout. Everybody needs love, everybody needs love, everybody needs love, everybody needs love. Say you wake up in the morning feeling so sad. I know what your trouble is, baby. You need someone like me by your side to hold you tight, squeeze you right in the middle of the night. For you I'm crying out, sometimes feel to shout. Everybody needs love, everybody needs love, everybody needs love, everybody needs love. Say you wanna be loved, but you won't let me love you. Say you wanna be kissed. How long I've been wanting to hold you tight, squeeze you right in the middle of the night. For you I'm crying out, sometimes feel to shout. Everybody needs love, everybody needs love. Everybody needs love. Hold you tight, squeeze you right in the middle of the night. For you I'm crying out, sometimes feel to shout. Everybody needs love, everybody needs love. Love, everybody needs love. You wake up in the morning feeling so sad. I know what your trouble is, baby. You need someone like me by your side. Hold you tight, squeeze you right in the middle of the night. For you I'm crying out, you I'm crying out.
Now, people, this next selection, I had to dig for it. Because the artist is always supporting me. It's always on the broadcast. But the artist is like him do an identity upgrade, you understand? I don't even know if that me really want. I know some really want to describe it still, but yeah. You know what? All of the words that come to mind because we are Jamaicans and we like to, you know, take things out of context. I'm going to stop talk. I'm just going to say, I'm going to promote the new material. And so he has been very mean with the old material. But me know how to dig and find it. So I wonder if you can identify this next artist.
I got a thing for you. I got a thing for you.
I wonder if you can identify the artist.
I got a thing.
If you think you know who it is, type name in the chat.
I guess you wonder where I'll be.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Good morning.
I guess you wonder where I'll be. I searched to find the love within, and I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. My friends wonder
never heard him referred to by that name, Sparky. I don't know if that's what the G stands for. If the G stands for governor. I know when you talk about Roddy G, the G stands for general. Yeah, man. So Sparky, I'm not sure if when he dropped the G, it meant governor. We'll have to do some more research to find out. But the artist is on the broadcast. For those over at See Jamaica Live, if you see the messages coming across your screen, then you know what we're talking about. Inside a segment, I dub support. Who support you? Because that is real support. Yeah, man, sometimes I have to dip in at the vault. Because sometimes the artists, them are going like them want to keep the music from me. But them don't know I'm resourceful. Them don't know.
I got a thing for you.
I want to see the artist's full name. I need somebody to drop the artist's full name right now.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. And I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from a love you see. Well, I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. In my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. I got a thing for you. I got a crazy thing for you. Yeah. I got a thing for you. I got a thing for you. In my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but don't give up. In my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from a love you see. Well, I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. I got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. Well, I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you.
This is how we work out of the support for support segment. 35 minutes after 8 o'clock, let's go.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Into darkness, we all have to play our part, make a bold start, every distract, tell every
Roddy G, baby.
Me always we notice, you'll have support the slackness, how so much alcohol in our parties, while the girls are broke out at this up over, she drink, knock her out, now she don't care with them proper up.
It's times
one civilization is not complete.
You know I'm on a mission, right? And I had the thought the other day, I didn't even remember this song from Queen Ifrica, that the lyrics actually speak to it. Why you promote so much alcohol in the parties? Why do we promote everything that is bad? No, think about it. Now, I'm saying, yeah, you can have a little drink with you a buzz. But a whole heap of roots wine out there, you know. I had a bottle of marijuana wine a few weeks ago. Yeah, big up Sister Love. You know, prize-winning distiller. She gave me a bottle of her marijuana wine, and that's what got me thinking. What if we were consuming other content in the parties? I mean, yeah, alcohol forward from cane juice, but I mean, come on now. I stopped, I paused, and I thought about it. Everything that is bad for you, there's so much marketing, there's so much promotion, and nobody now promote the good and healthy things, them, you know. I don't like that. That is why it is my mandate to promote the good music. So from here, the good music, I'll gladly play it. Queen Ifrica, times like these.
One civilization is not complete without its art, the highest form of expression of human intelligence. You have become complacent, sitting down and allowing the other nations to run away with everything. You have become a bunch of consumers. You are creators. Rise up, mighty people, accomplish what you will. Without confidence, you're twice defeated in the race of life.
They took away the voices that gave the people pride. Now we're plunging into darkness. We all have to play our part, make a bold start, every distract, tell every artist. Media houses we notice, you'll have support the slackness, how so much alcohol in our parties, while the girls are broke out at this up over, she drink, knock her out, now she no care with them proper up.
It's times like these, I'm missing our heroes. Times like these, I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Marcus Garvey, we know so you try your best, but we have figured out the rest.
They grade up the shot at them, now we have a lot of them. Press up, back up, now the grave them a go back at them. Them block the national bird wing. Sell we out clean, me not think we own a damn thing. Jam rock, why we giving in to the trick where them a trick we from the beginning. Parents you need to wake up from the slumbering is with children, blood them is running.
It's times like these, I'm missing our heroes. Times like these, I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this.
When me say something's gotta give, me get a daughter now, so me have to think smarter now. It means that me a think constructive. It's like some brain a mix smart. up all the charts, you know. Some things gotta give. Most of the youth, them now no manners. Parents a get soft, you know. On a TV, you grow the youth, them SpongeBob and Patrick. No mention South Park, you know. And if them all a surf the internet and you're not even a check a monitor where them a watch, you know. Oh, you want kick and box, you know. When the same little picnic, them a tell you about your cloth, you know. Cause something's gotta give. Righteousness I get less and more dread than Rasta now. And for the people them, that's where them Bible is like, so nobody now listen to no pastor now. And that is why the place in a state, hurricane and earthquake and a pure disaster now. And it's the east, west, north and south, I be a joke, we not even quarter now. Because some things gotta live. Oh yes, we got to live. You have to watch your life, got to live. Cause something's gotta live. It means that if you live in negative, it can't amount to nothing positive. Cause someone's gotta give. So even though you don't know when it is, it could have wait to take you when you win and you say but this. You cannot outsmart the rules, them no feel like you always. Because the fact that the matter is something. You read it in the paper, you see it on the news. A time I come, you have to choose wrong or right, which one, no excuse, make we hear you.
You're in or out, gotta know what you're all about. Be bold and strong, tell yourself you're not doing wrong. Once you're in, you gotta take it. Make your mind up, son, and face it. Because warriors don't cry. I know lots of folks will hate you, and not because they want to, but sometimes they don't even know why. So don't watch the crowd. Their duty is to be loud. Believe in what you're doing and feel proud.
Know yourself.
Cause when you fall along the way, people will have lots to say. They don't really care if you make it through the day.
Then follow me, whether you're in or me say, whether you're out. Know your position, stay firm, don't. Can no for them we try, go you down with them clothes. Want to put zip up on your mouth, but you want me say, if you know say you're right, so I promote no fear for talk. Say low top of your voice, you fish out cars. Anytime them come to sink you like a boat, with your trust in the Almighty, you have to stay afloat because if you don't stand for something nowadays, that means say anything you're going fall for. Yo, you have to stay firm, have to know your position, even firmer than that rock by name Gibraltar. God, we would have still be slave if the forefathers they never brave and stand up to the master. So be bold, no care about a soul and no fear, even if you make a mistake or you fall. Come and think,
give it to me, do it to me, give it to me. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It feels so right. Champagne and candlelight, the way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh no.
Woman, you're nice. Smile upon your face is like you're right upon my life. Girl, me can't wait to give you everything you like. Hope you from the day your Christmas sight. I guarantee that you'll be satisfied. Don't be afraid to break the rules. And to better things, so tell the little man to cool. I'm a lucky star, I can't believe I found a jewel. And them all ask what you wanna do. So make them know say that me have the tool.
The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It feels so right. Champagne and candlelight, the way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling.
You will be the reason when I stop breathing. Love how you move to the baseline, bubble my way. Girl, come lay on me like that. And I will be the reason that you're not sleeping. Up all night with the sweet reggae music to play. Girl, come put it on me like that.
Well, woman, give me the sweet reggae love, sweet rubber dub. It's a private party with the above in the club. It's a camping love and eternal like true love. Yes, you're going to lose the cash and time me start juggle up. Come make me line up your top and make me tune up your soul. In the can I cut the love, we just cut the road. Hey, more time you give me the one that then double up. Cause you forget the sweet selection
running through my system. One drop makes my heart stop racing. And I can't get you out of my system.
I can't stop though. I can't stop though.
You have been the reason when I stop breathing. Love how you move to the baseline, cover my way. Girl, come lay on me like that. And I will be the reason that you're not sleeping. Up all night with the sweet reggae music I play. Girl, come put it on me.
I gotta know if you love me. You gotta stand beside me, stand right by me, and let them know that I'm the woman. If you need me, you gotta hold me closer, take control and show the world that I'm your woman. I'm not that girl, I ain't the chick on the side, the one that you hide in the corner. I know my worth, but when I step into place, you tell your boys to wanna. I see your style, I try to distance yourself, but like we never come here together. Oh, you are fool, I know the deal. Let me see if you can keep it real. I gotta know if you love me. You gotta stand beside me, stand right by me, and let them know that I'm the woman. If you need me, you gotta hold me closer, take control and show the world that I'm the
Sitting here watching fools by themselves when they should all be thinking of getting to know themselves. While life goes on, everyone's got to stand strong. You can't surrender, no, no, no. Giving your heart and soul to vanity, yeah, makes your life filled with pain and misery. While life goes on, everyone's got to stand strong. You can't surrender, no, no, no. Hold on to what you got. Hold on to what you got.
Good morning.
Hold on to what you got. Hold on to what you got. If you can accept lot of criticism, then you know you're on your way. If you can accept on your journey, then you know is a yeah.
What we have is something special. To you I'll give my all and all. My love is unconditional. Good things come to those who wait. I know your love was worth the wait. My life is complete. Now I found you. No need to search no more. I found what I'm looking for. We've got the real thing, baby. In you I have no doubts. This is what it's all about. We've got the real thing, baby.
You know, I don't want anybody feel like say me I ignore them requests to pull up, you know. So here what we have got to get that calling thing they worked out. We have got to get that calling thing they work out. Because you see when my eyes in the library looking for the next song that I'm going to play for you, it can't depend on the feed, you understand? So with all spark here, ball out, pull up, I don't even know which song you have request to pull up on, you understand? So we have got to get that like a phone line, something there. Or like a Facebook, something there. Or whatever method we're going to use. We have to go work it out so we can call and say, hey Roddy, stop right there. So stop what you do right there. So take that tune there from start. Big shout out to the Bitty McLean fans. I'm now going to pull up that one here. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to drop a next bad one.
long time I don't sleep. Do you have a little time to spend it with me? I wanna know what's been going on in your life. Talk to me, baby. Yeah. Your hair, the perfume you wear brings back memories of you and me. Yeah. You look so fine. You blow my mind all over again. Oh, ladies, rock with me tonight for old time's sake. Ladies, listen what I tell you. Rock with me tonight for old time's sake. Ooh, ladies, I have never been so much in love before. Ooh, what a difference, true love made in my life. So right, so right. Yeah. Loving you gave me something new that I never ever felt, that I've never dreamed of. Oh, baby. Oh, na, na, na. Mr. Cruz again.
When you turn and you walk through that door, it hurts me so. Said it hurts me so, baby. When you look at me and you say goodbye, you make me cry. Said you make me cry, cry. So listen to me while I say to you, breaking up is hard to do. Everybody knows, they know, they know, they know you. You think I love you for just one thing. To you, my love, it may be the way it seems, but I love the way you carry yourself. I even love the way you wear your hair. Ain't that loving you? Ooh. Ain't that loving you for more reasons than one? Somehow, my love, you've been misled by the things that other men say. But I love the way you carry yourself. I even love the way you wear your hair. Ain't that loving you? Ain't that loving you for more reasons than one?
So I gotta take this time to send a big shout out to the folks over on See Jamaica Live. Hey, on a careful, you know. Glad to have you connected. So let me tell you about the collaboration between DJ Roddy G and See Jamaica Live. It's all about bringing you that morning show. And on this particular channel for See Jamaica Live, because you know they have several cameras, right? On this channel, you find me and a view of what's going on in the Crossroads area. But predominantly, this is about the presentation of this show. So as you check in, want to welcome you, but understand what is happening. So if this is not what you want to see, then of course you can check out all the other cameras available from See Jamaica Live. Boy, Stacey, you never roughed them up so still, you know. Yes, I am DJ Roddy G. You can get used to that name. It's the hottest trending show out of Jamaica on the cyberspace. Yeah, man. You can also find me at my own channel, which is at DJ RODDYG. So yeah, that's what's happening on the See Jamaica Live. Shout outs to the folks over there on the Facebook chat, and shout outs to the folks at DJ RODDYG channel on YouTube. Those folks I saw from my family. Calvin check in this morning and he sent anniversary greetings. Let me see who the anniversary greetings go out to. Those anniversary greetings were going out to Omari and I'm find it quick and fast. Roddy, find it. Calvin was sending anniversary greetings to Danielle and Omari. Now, I was gonna dip in the library and play a selection from Ray Goodman and Brown, but I feel like I said my young people and them probably don't know that music there. So I'm gonna step it forward to a more current anniversary song. No, man, I got 2020 tune. I'm going with Charlie Wilson, and this one goes out to Danielle and Omari celebrating their wedding anniversary today. Congratulations to you, and may you have many more years of blissful marriage. Charlie.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got a surprise for you, baby. You thought I forgot? Nah, baby. Come on. Here you go. You gonna open it? Listen up, my love. Now if you thought I'd forget, I got some tricks up my sleeve. 2 tickets for us headed to paradise. Reservations done, check. Flowers in my hand, smelling good, check. So tell all your friends to take a rain check. 2 tickets for us headed to paradise. Girl, it's my favorite day of the year. Only because you're by my side. We gon' be making love all night. Reminiscing on the good times. Sunday or later is on you. That's when you made love brand new. Today is a holiday for 2. It's our anniversary. Tonight we're gonna celebrate. Cheers to another year with me. Today is a holiday for 2. It's our anniversary. Listen up, my love. Now look how far along we've come. You changed my life. No one could ever come close to the job that you've done. You an angel on earth, one of the best of heaven's works. Divine masterpiece. Can't believe that you ever chose me. Girl, it's my favorite day of the year. Only because you're by my side. We gon' be making love all night. Reminiscing on the good times. Sunday or later is on you. That's when you made love brand new. Today is a holiday for 2. It's our anniversary. Tonight we're gonna celebrate. Cheers to another
So special request going out to Danielle and Omari celebrating their anniversary today. Congratulations, guys. 5 minutes after 9 o'clock. We're in the final hour of the show. You thought I forgot, didn't you?
Christmas tree.
This is our Tash Alexander.
I just want you for my own.
Tis the season. Not giving you a half hour, but a few Christmas songs. Jamaican style, of course.
It's you? It's you.
Toy
for remembering all of our good friends, and to be with family we don't see for the longest while, just to share a smile. And even though it might not have been the most beautiful year, still the little that I have is enough to share. But for all those hungry mouths that's been roaming all about, will someone in the name of love lend a helping hand? Don't strain yourself, don't worry about it at all. Just a little something to make them feel special. Yeah, starting today, now you know what I mean. Search deep within, then you ask yourself, can I be of any help to the homeless folks on the town that's been around? Let your kindness reign, it won't be in vain. You might tell yourself that you don't even have a dime to spare. Still the little that you have is enough to share. And for all those hungry mouths that's been roaming all about, will someone in the name of love lend a helping hand? Don't stress yourself, don't worry about it at all. Just a little something to make them feel special. Yeah.
The unmistakable sounds of the chairman of the board, Mr. Beresford Hammond. Starting today. If you're like me and you don't subscribe to the proposed religious aspect of the season, because history don't prove to be say this now have nothing to do with the birth of Christ. This is totally just a commercial holiday. Sorry if my opinion goes against yours, but just I call it like I see it. But it is the time of year where we take pause to reflect, to share in the bounty, to share in the conclusion of a calendar year. And so it is a season of love. It's a different energy, and this energy is not only unique to December. I dare say that you get this type of vibe from October. I get this type of feeling. The sun shines differently come October, and the wind blows differently. So it's a different season once October steps in. But it culminates in December with a type of euphoria. And so Beres Hammond says, starting today, if you can give, if you can be considerate, if you can be mindful, let it be today. So we continue with the sounds of Mr. Beresford Hammond, but this time we're going on the Lovers Rock side, you know. Let's do it like this.
Hallelujah.
Hey, shout out to Hilma, the entire Brazil crew checked in.
Baby, all I can say is glad you're coming, baby. Yeah. Hallelujah.
Roddy G is your morning man.
You, baby. All I can say is glad you're coming, baby. Yeah. When I heard the news today, you'll be coming home soon. Wasted no time getting ready for this big countdown, yes. Now I just want to make sure it's true. I'm doing things I never usually do, no. Don't want to be left at no or feel like a fool. People see me shopping in places and saying there is that's not you. See them guessing and staring, and really they don't have a clue. Now they don't know I'm trying to repair damage that's sent away. There better be some truth to this news, cause I'm the happiest man today. When I gaze into the ceiling, it's such an off-key feeling. I wanna hold you till it hurts, yes. When I hear sweet love songs, I know where these arms belong. They wanna hold you till it hurts, yes. Oh, I thought it would happen someday. You'd come back my way. Now all I can do is say, oh my, my. And while I'm waiting here, and the hours are counting down, I'll put a favorite song on replay and leave it, let it run. When I gaze into the ceiling, it's such an off-key feeling. I wanna hold you till it hurts, yes. When I see lovers in the park, I hear rub-a-dub rhythm in the dark. I wanna hold you till it hurts.
You're wondering if I care about you, or if there's some cause that I should doubt you. Oh, I can see, girl, that you don't know me very well. Oh, you're so unsure. Hey. Oh, no, baby. You run here and there to ask my feelings, but friends only guess. They can't say really.
Don't mess my neighbor.
No, baby.
Don't mess the friends up.
I'll hang around. Oh.
Don't be afraid to come to me.
Don't ask my neighbors, no, baby.
Don't be afraid of what you see.
What you see, you'll find out, oh, baby.
Na 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 na, my girl. No matter how hard it may be, baby, love you endlessly. Summers and winters see, we're still here, inseparable and forever. With you near, I feel so lucky. I won't let her follow your heart, and you be true to whatever's yours. That's only. Don't ever let her get away for too long. Keep her in your arms, yeah. Get close to her, because if you go away, she'll remain. And time won't change a thing. She always stays, never strays. As long as you do this little thing, yeah. Follow your heart, and you'll be true to whatever's yours. That's only for you. Try your best, put your all to the test to know what love is worth first. Gotta give it your best. Gotta give it your best, yeah. No matter how hard it may be, baby, love you endlessly. Summers and winters see, we're still here, inseparable and forever. With you near, I feel so lucky I won't let her.
This record is gone universally.
Follow your heart, and you'll be true. Whatever's yours, that's only.
I know I never gave you my love. Deep inside,
stalling, afraid you do damage to my pride. My love was only a young love, but grown up am I to give real love, baby. I'm ready now for the love that a woman should give to a man.
I know I never gave you my love deep inside. I know I kept on stalling, afraid you do damage to my pride. My love was only a young love, but grown up am I to give real love, baby. I'm ready now for the love that a woman should give to a man. Darling, you've been patient to wait oh so long, but you can bet I'll make up for love I childishly thought wrong. And now I feel like a woman, lover I want, but you need it, baby. I'm ready now for the love that a woman should give to a man. There is something I wanna say to you, baby. Boy, here we are somewhere between lovers and friends. A fragile situation, can say how it all ends. All I know, I like what I'm feeling. My head and my heart are feeling. I really think we should move from like to love. Yeah.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans? Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, ooh, warm. Skin cream, smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I ain't playing no games, and every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay in these good morning, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. Leave the door open. The door open, open. If you feel the way I feel and you want me like I want you tonight, tell me that you're coming through. You're so sweet, so right. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the haze. And if you're hungry, I got the legs. Ooh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love that we could be making. Could be kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Boy, let's jump in, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games, and every word that I say coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay in these songs, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. Leave the door open. Open, open. Let you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you tonight. Tell me that you're coming through. La la la, la 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 la.
And this is Sounds of Harmony Deja. She's over there in the UK. Came across this song from her. I like the song. But then when I heard how she treated this part, I started to love it.
I'ma leave the door leave the door open.
Good morning to all the UK peeps.
Open. If you feel the way I feel and you want me like I want you tonight, tell me that you're coming
Well, a lot of people, I just remember something. I just remember that I got a gift on a Friday. Well, let me find it. Let me find it.
Here we are, two of us together, taking this crazy chance to be all alone. We both know that we should not be together, 'cause if they found out, it could mess up both our happy homes.
I hate to think about us all meeting up together, 'cause as soon as I look at you, it'll show in my face, yeah. Then they'll know that we've been loving each other. We can let them know, no, 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 we can't leave a trace. Oh. Secret lovers, yeah, that's what we are. Trying so hard to hide the way we feel, 'cause we both belong to someone else, but we can't let it go, 'cause what we feel is all so real, so real, so
You and me, all we said, is this true, or do we care? Can they tell what's in our minds? Maybe they've had secret love all of the
So it would not be the first time that you heard me play this rhythm. Oh, you me play that rhythm already, don't? Well, I get something sweet on Friday gone, you see? Before we hit the final half hour, we can share when we get last week Friday, we don't know. Ready? Ready? All right, take it from start then, Roddy.
Roddy G is your morning
Are you
man.
on the town? If you don't pull up this tune one time, I'ma call 911.
If you follow instruction, then no.
DJ Roddy, are you on the town? If you don't pull up this tune one time, I'ma call 911. That's how my body's calling you, DJ Roddy. I wanted to be cool, but you played me like a fool. And now you're strumming my face, strumming my pain. I keep waiting in vain for you, DJ Roddy. DJ Roddy, are you on the town?
Hey, good morning, Christine.
If you don't pull up this tune one time, I'ma call 911. That's how my body's calling you, DJ Roddy. I wanted to be cool, but you played me like a fool. And now you're strumming my face, strumming my pain. I keep waiting in vain for you, DJ Roddy. This song goes round and round all night long. DJ Roddy, you are the one. Round and round, no need to let go. DJ Roddy win for sure. Round and round all night long. DJ Roddy, you run the town. Round and round, no need to let go. Sweet tunes I play for sure. I keep telling myself, it's one sound that make me love
miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Johnny? Good
Yes, you're looking rude. Hey, hey, when everything is gonna be alright. Yes, you're looking rude. Hey, hey, when everything is gonna be alright.
Let's light up a candle. Make sure you can handle what's in store tonight.
It's a foregone conclusion. I'll rise to the occasion. Tonight I'm gonna treat you right.
I've been waiting all day for this moment.
Rest assured there'll be no disappointment.
Ready like never before.
Just call me a doctor, cause I've got the cure. Yes, you're looking rude.
I'm in the mood to make love tonight.
Hey, hey, well everything is gonna be alright.
I'm in the mood.
Yes, you're looking rude.
I'm in the mood to make love tonight.
Hey, hey, well everything is gonna be alright. White lingerie, seductive smile. I see the fire in your eyes.
No more delay. I like your style. You have me hypnotized.
Satisfaction guarantee.
I love what you do to me. Yeah.
Baby, we've got a chemistry.
So just lay it on me, baby.
Yes, you're looking rude.
I'm in the mood to make love tonight.
Hey, hey, well everything is gonna be alright. Yes, you're looking rude.
I'm in the mood to make love tonight.
Here comes the musical thing called Bring Your Queen Like the Machine. Oh yeah. But way boo, yeah, yeah. Oh. Hey, I love the vibes, I know the rhythm I drive. But me not coming at the dance and strive.
Music is all we got. Now we must defend it.
Dance no need no war. Man and woman apart.
Everyone is a star.
Life and Mamma Mia.
Dance the people's church.
Yes, it's where everyone's gathering.
Need no bothering.
I just love. So everyone
must come together.
Everyone.
Join in the pleasure.
Everyone.
Music forever.
The sweetest relief. God's all sweet.
God's all sweet.
God's all sweet.
God's all sweet. I love the vibes and how the girls them dress, yes.
And everyone come express themselves.
Them dress to impress.
One black love, one African nest. Well, I say pull up, mentality from the top. The music's on the street, but check the message that I got. Musical thing, I bring your queen, I lock your Glock. And the truth and the nuts, so what's so chat. 1, 2, 3, I'm loving you. 4, 5, 6, I'm missing you. 7, 8, 9, I want you back. 1, 2, 3, I love you. 4, 5, 6, I'm missing you. 7, 8, 9, I want you back.
Here within my arms again.
Long time no see. Out your love, I'm lonely. I miss you, and it's too hard to bear. What have you done to me? I'm waking up in the middle of the night without you, and it's so unfair. I toss and turn, reach for you only. my pillows. Soon I wake the morning, the sun rises, but I'm alone. Hurts my soul.
1, 2, 3, I'm loving you. 4, 5, 6, I'm missing you. 7, 8, 9, I want you back. 1, 2, 3,
I'm loving you.
4, 5, 6,
I'm missing you. 7, 8, 9, I want you back.
Here within my arms again.
It shows on my face, the evidence is right here. My smile has been erased, can't you tell? I have no appetite, my food has no taste. I'm losing weight. Thought you could be replaced. I daydream of you and me and how great we used to be. Good morning. And I firmly believe of turning all these dreams into reality. And like a child, I would say it's so easy to you. 1, 2, 3, I love you.
4, 5, 6,
I miss you.
7, 8, 9,
I want you back.
1, 2, 3,
I love you.
4, 5, 6,
I miss you.
7, 8, 9,
I want you back, 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 back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on back, baby. I'm not ready to let you go. Come on back, baby. I'm not ready to let you go. No. I will tell you when I'm ready. I got to let you know. I got to let you know. Don't walk away from me, baby, like that. 'Cause she came into the room. Don't turn your back. You're gonna tell her today. I mean what I say. Stay with me, baby. I just can't let you go. Stay right here, baby. I can love you a little bit more.
Let me please you, take you to a place
You've never been.
before. Let me take you there.
Let me hold you
till it hurts.
love you more and more, and show you how I care.
It's no secret how we feel about each other. Let's make sweet music, you and me together.
Let me whisper sweet lyrics in your ear. Let me do the things you like. Let me take you there. Let me please you, take you to a place
you've never been before.
Let me take you there. Let me hold you till it hurts.
Love you more and more, and show you how I care.
So let me just take this time to once again welcome those folks tuned in on the See Jamaica Live feed. It's a little difference in your morning visuals from JA. Not just giving you the visuals of Crossroads, but also providing some music, some entertainment. And you can engage. You can drop a line in the chat. Yeah, man, let me know who check in, all right? Wherever you are in the world, wherever you're locked in, welcome. This is Roddy for the road. I'm your host, DJ Roddy G. Just doing a little something different. You understand? You can also follow me at DJ RODDYG on the gram. And you can use the same handle over there on YouTube as well. So come on, check in. Make yourself welcome, comfortable. On the sounds of Peter G alongside Novelty, we go to sounds of Mr. Hopton Lindo. We do the mix like this.
My angel, that's who you are. My superstar, baby. You're my angel. No other explanation. Angel, my girl for every situation. Angel, I would never let you down. You can count on me to always be around. Soaring above the clouds on a plane thinking about you. Your love and sincerity is embedded in my memory. I don't know what I'd become or where I would be if it wasn't for you and the things you do. Just being there for me. You're my angel. No other explanation. Angel, my girl for every situation. You're my angel, I'll never let you down. Sure you can, to always be around. What did I do to deserve someone so special as you? You're the answer to my prayers, my dream come true. My ride or die, apple of my eye. You mean the world to me. Sometimes I just pinch myself and wonder, how could it be? You're my angel. No other explanation. Angel, my girl for every situation. Angel, I will never let you down. You can count on me to always be around.
Roddy G is your morning man.
It's a blessing to see people with hands up to the sky still. 'Cause honestly, for the same people, life can be so real. I'm amazed by all your strength. I am. And I'm grateful you come through. Yeah. So I take this time to stop a moment and show my gratitude. I put my letter in the air for you. I see what you're doing, yeah, I see what you go through. I put my letter in the air for truth. Is it beautiful? Beautiful. I put your letter in the air for us. Everybody singing together, singing you song. Put your letter in the air for love. It's beautiful, beautiful. Many mighty ships are sinking. Many stars are falling down. And I count it as a blessing that you woke me up now. I can tell that you've been praying. My whole life has turned around. Yeah. And I can't go without saying that I thank God for you all now. Yeah. I put my letter in the air for you. I receive in return. Your happiness will increase. So no matter what some people say to you, you are the only girl I know you can see the proof. Your love is magical, you have me, I sing for you. Appreciation in my heart, just know you have me from the start.
I never see myself without you and I. Say me love you like I listen, I love Empress Men and I. You are my personal advisor, certified healer. How when the battlefield need her, she a the front line leader. Ubakaba, ubakaba. Alright, come here mama, okay. Me time travel, fi find you. Now we align, you a wine and a crime. Your intuition, me reconcile. Life for the mission, destiny combine. Electric, magnetic, bring life to the cosmic. Now ask me why, come I don't know. Why make me not see myself without you and I. Me love you like I listen, I love Empress Men and I. She am my personal advisor, certified healer. And if the battlefield need her, she a the front line leader. Like Winnie Mandela, she a lock it down for me. Correct as Scott, she run the king army. She's no fool, outspoken just like me Sue. Empress Naya Bingy, give me a 1-2. No, them no know what you really can do. Electric, magnetic, bring life to the cosmic. Now ask me why, come I don't know. Why make me not see myself without you and I. Me love you like I listen, I love Empress Men and I. She am my personal advisor, certified healer. And when the battlefield need her, she a the front line leader. I bet you never know someone love me like that. Look in your face, you know me like that. Free up yourself, you know if you fight that no more. Look and know, you know someone got you for sure. Now I'm gonna leave you, mama and papa love forevermore. And I never see myself without you and I. Me love you like I listen, I love Empress Men and I. You are my personal advisor, certified healer. And if the battlefield need her, she a the front line leader.
I tell you, without the interaction, this show would not be the fun, fascinating show that it is. At 8 minutes before the hour of 10 o'clock, we've got Stacy on that YouTube check-in. She says she wants a reggae Christmas song. Didn't I play 2 reggae Christmas songs already? Anyway, I'm not fighting, you know. I know it is the season. And so I'm prepared to hear all these requests of Christmas music. I'm ready for you now. Just that wait till December. I'm going to try hold out until December actually start before, you know, we start flood the airwaves with Christmas song. But yes, a Christmas music. All right, let's go.
Christmas time, Christmas time. I saw me hear them say, coming again, yeah. It's coming again, boy. Oh, yeah.
Bet you didn't expect this.
It's coming again.
Well, you did say reggae Christmas song. That's what this is. Cockatoo, sing.
live in Miami, some of them live in Philly. Them say you better come up, you better come up, you better come up. We're telling you now, 'cause Christmas is coming again, yeah, coming again, boy. Christmas time, Christmas time. I saw me hear them say, but oh what fun it is to ride on a New York City subway. It's a Christmas time, Christmas time. I will be hear them say, but oh what fun it is to ride on a New York City subway.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. They told me, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, I have no gifts to give, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam. I am a poor boy too, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam. I am a poor boy too, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam. On my drum. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe helps to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. And so I offer you this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Though it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one another. It's that time of year when good friends are dear, and you like to find a way to show the things that words can say. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? The man on the street and the couple upstairs all need to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love.
Thank you so much, Sparky. Sparky Melody saying, yeah. He checked in, kept her company, and we truly appreciate love that. Yeah, something going on with the stream, folks. I realize that something is going on. Them not like the songs that I'm playing, I don't know. But no worries. We're gonna sort it out. Got everything legit right now. Everything is on the up and up. Shout out to the folks who are logged in at blackscorpionenterprise.com. Yeah, man, I'm sure that your feed has been uninterrupted. So if you're having challenges, be sure to check out blackscorpionenterprise.com. 24/7 great, authentic Jamaican music programming. But everybody on the live stream, thank you so much for your company this morning. All the folks out there at See Jamaica, I hope you'll make it part of your routine. Check in and check out. the morning show, Roddy for the road. All right? So until tomorrow morning, the Almighty willing, be back with you 7 until 10 in the AM for another installment of Roddy for the road. Until then, walk good and stay safe, all right?
Roddy G is your morning man.